Okay, algebraic process. One, the first thing is linear equation. What is linear equation? An equation is a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions. So that is what an equation is all about, a mathematical statement that shows equality between two expressions. Now, linear equation is a mathematical statement that contain only terms in one variables and a constant, and the highest power of the variable is one. The left um, the left hand side always equate the right hand side of the equation. So linear equation like is just an equation that have its highest power of the variable to be one, and it has one variable and a constant. Example, we have example 1. Solve 4x plus 3 equals to 3x plus 12. And then example 2, 3 into s minus 2, close the bracket, equals to 4 into 2s minus 5. Solution, if you have something like this, so 4s plus 3 is equals to 3s plus 12, you collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms means arrange those ones that have the unknowns one side, and then the one that are constant or doesn't have unknowns the other side. So 4x and 3x, they have common unknowns, which is x. So you have bring down your 4x. If 3x is crossing the sign of this equality, change to minus 3x, which is equals to 12. 12 is here at the right hand side. So if you are bringing 3 from the left hand side to the right hand side, you change to minus 3. 4s minus 3s is x, 1s, which is equals to 12 minus 3 is 9. So that is what we have in that place. So our x is equals to 9. So example 2, we have the b part, 3 into all of this bracket equals to the right hand side. So you expand and collect the like terms. 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, equals to 4 times 2x is 8x. Then 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. So if you collect the like terms, 3x down. If 8x is going to the left hand side, change to minus 8x, which is equals to minus 12. Minus 20 is on the right hand side. Minus 6 is going to the right hand side, crossing the sign of the the equality sign, change to plus 6. So you discover that 3x minus 8x is minus 5x. Minus 20 plus 6 will give you minus 14. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is minus 5. So minus 5x is equals to minus 14 divided by minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5 will cancel minus 5. X is going to be equals to 2 whole number 4 over 5. The minus will cancel the minus. So we have positive value. Example 2. If you have an equation in form of fraction like this, how do you go about it? We'll be looking at it one after the other. Now the solution to the first one, we have 3x all over 4 minus 7 all over 3 equals to 17 all over 12. So all you need to do is to find the LCM. The LCM of 4, 3, and 12 is 12, because all of them can go into 12 without remainder. So multiply through the equation using the LCM. So the LCM is 12. So if you're to do this kind of thing, you need to use the LCM to multiply through the equation so that the fraction can be normalized to become linear equation. So you see, 12 multiplied by the first fraction minus 12 multiplied by the second fraction equals to 12 multiplied by the last fraction on the right hand side. So you discover that 4 here is 1, 4 into 12 is 3, 3 here, 1, 3 into 12 is 4, 12 here, 1, 12 into 12 is 1. So what do you do? All you need to do is that 3 times 3x is 9s minus, that is a minus there, 4 times 7 is 28, then 1 times 17 is 17. So you collect the like terms, Your 9s, you bring it down, equals to 17 minus 28. Take going to the right hand side, you change to plus 28. So 9s is equals to 17 plus 28 is 45. Therefore, our x is going to be equals to, by the time you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 9, so x is going to be 45 over 9, which is 5. The second example is this. We have fraction on, two sets of fraction. So if it is three sets of fraction, you do that LCM, which we did from up here. But now that we have two sets of fraction on both equal sides, all you need to do, the principle here is to cross multiply. Just to cross multiply. So by the time you cross multiply, you discover that 2x multiplied by this x, this is what we have here, 2x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 3 is what we have here. So 2x times x is 2x squared. Then you open this bracket. By the time you open this bracket, 2x times x is going to give you 2x squared. Then we also have 2x times minus 3 will give you minus 6x. 5 times x will give you plus 5x. 5 times minus 3 will give you minus 15. Then from here, you discover that you can actually rearrange. 2x squared is what we bring down here. Of course, you have another 2x squared on the right hand side. If you take it to the left hand side, change to minus 2x squared equals to minus 6x plus 5x and then minus 15. So 2x squared minus 2x squared will become 0, which is going to be equals to minus 6x plus 5s give you minus x. Then minus 15 is what we bring down. Collect your like terms. By the time you collect your like term, take this minus s to the left hand side, change to positive x, which is equals to minus 15. So x is minus 15. Example 3 is here for you. So if you look at this example 3, we have two sets of fraction. Of course, they are on the left hand side, and then one is on the right hand side. We can find the LCM and multiply through. Okay, so the LCM between 3, 4, and 1 is 12. So you multiply through the equation by 12. Each of these, these terms by 12. So 12 times the whole of this minus 12 times the whole of this fraction equals to 12 times 1. Then by the time you have this, you discover that you can reduce them now. 3 here into 3 is 1. 3 into 4 into 12 is 4. 4 into 4 is 1. 4 into 12 is 3, which is equals to 12 multiplied by 1 over 1. So you are left with 4 multiplied by the whole of this, and that's what we brought down here, minus 3 multiplied by the whole of this is what we brought down here, equals to 12, because 12 times 1 over 1 is still 12. So we expand and collect the like terms. Okay, so 4 times 2x minus 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. Then minus 3 times 3x is minus 9s. And the minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3 equals to the 12. Then we have 8, we collect the like terms now, 8x minus 9x, which is here, then equals to, we have our 12. If 4 is minus 4 is going to the right hand side, change to plus 4. Plus 3 is going to the right hand side, change to minus 3. So therefore 8x minus 9x, 8x minus 9x is actually minus x. So minus x, there should be minus there, so pardon me, minus x, which is going to be equals to 12 minus 3, and then plus 4 is 13. So the minus that is supposed to be here, if you actually readd that minus, this answer is supposed to be minus 13. So pardon me for that error. So there should be minus on this x, which if you divide both sides by minus 1, it should be minus